Toby, where's your little lamb? Toby, Toby.
Don't throw rocks, Nate. Don't throw rocks, buddy.
Toby, where's your little lamb? Look at mommy. Where's your little lamb?
Where's the little
Where?
lamb? Here. This little lamb over here. Pet the little lamb. Yeah, it's okay. Toby thinks it's a lamb.
What did he say? The dog?
He goes, no, that's a goat. She's like, I found it.
Where's my little lamb?
Where's your little lamb?
She was saying that in Chicago. Where'd my little lamb go?
Hey, no.
Quit.
Here you go.
Here, babe. Babe.
Little lamb, Coco.
Baby. Honey.
There you go.
What do you want me to do? Let's take one picture. Fine.
No, you gotta shoot from back there. You ready? Okay, I'll scoot up.
He can get down and crawl as long as he doesn't fail off.
Okay, now you gotta make a hoop.
Jackson, Merry first Christmas.
You gotta make a hoop. Okay, well I guess you can shoot and I'll make the best one. I'll do the backboard as long as you cross over the forehead.